Stop looking for the perfect strategy. Here's why. This week I was up 12K in the beginning of the week, but at the end of the week, basically I'm break even. Maybe slightly down because of commissions, but pretty much it's a break even week. Now, am I gonna say, oh man, let me search for a new strategy? No. Am I gonna say it's the market maker's fault? The market maker's hunting for my stop loss. Hey Johnny, come over here. Come over here. The market maker stop me off. No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say, you know what? It is what it is. This is part of trading. Am I gonna say, oh man, I need to add Fibonacci to my strategy? No. Guys, you have to understand there's no perfect strategy. You're gonna have weeks where you are just break even and nothing's working out, okay? Now, in the beginning of the week, I thought it's gonna be a profitable week for me. But unfortunately, these last couple of days, I'm gonna show you guys the live trading right now, okay? But overall, I'm here to let you guys know there's no such thing as a perfect strategy. If someone that you're following online claim that they're winning every single week, I want to really look you in your eyes and say they are lying, okay? They do have losing weeks. Now, do I really want to make this video? No, because it's Friday and I want to, just enjoy my Friday. And plus, I'm a little bit frustrated because I thought, this week was going to be a profitable week. But it is what it is. I wanted to make this video to show you guys this part of trading, right? It is what it is. Now, next week might be a great week for me, but I have to say, you know what? This is part of trading and it is what it is. So stop looking for that perfect strategy. You're not going to get it. Now, let's go over the trades. All right, so right here, guys, this was Monday, and overall, if you look at the market was bullish, gapped up right here. We had a nice pop. So overall, I'm looking at this support level. Didn't want to buy right here because we shot down. So this is where the market opened right here, right? We shot down, and I'm not looking for longs right away. Still trying to fill out the market, and we dropped once again, right? You see here we dropped again. And then we popped up. Notice how we popped up. We basically created a lot of, buying right here. And we created a demand level right here. So automatically, I'm looking at this, right? And I'm also looking at this support level. Because if you notice that when the market is coming back to the support level right here, it's holding like crazy, okay? So I took a long right here. The first long didn't work out, okay? So I took a long right here, and I got stopped out. It is what it is. Again, you can't win them all. And then I tried once again right here. And the market basically went my way, okay? Got a nice little 2-to-1 out of this trade and boom, okay? So that was a profitable day. Let me show you guys the recordings on this one. So right here, this is the first trade I'm in. I don't really like how price action is looking, but again, it doesn't matter how or what I like, okay? Trading is not based on your feelings. It's based on your strategies, it's based on your system. So I'm taking the trade no matter how I feel. So, I'm just waiting for the market to go to my target profit. And unfortunately, I got stopped out. So let's fast forward this. And right here, you see that I got stopped out. So right now I'm down like 3,000 on this trade, 3,500, and I'm looking for the next trade. So let me show you that. Now, here's the next trade. I'm in this trade now. I'm not going to lie. It looks like I'm going to get stopped out, okay? Now, again, this goes back to what I told you guys before. Stop thinking about the market is looking to stop you out. Stop thinking about that, guys. That's the wrong mindset. The market is not looking to stop you out, okay? The market could easily say, you know what? Let me take his stop loss, and go right back up. But it didn't, okay? The market is flowing the way it's supposed to be flowing, so I'm not really getting caught up with that. So right here, the market looks like it's about to stop me out, but it didn't, okay? So let me fast forward this and show you guys what happened next. All right, so you see the market's going up. It's going to my target profit. Everything's looking good. And basically, boom, I'm out, okay? So I'm out. If you look to the left, I'm up $6,000 and $140, okay? I still have my orders and my stop loss in place because the market didn't take it out automatically. So I had to just take it out manually. But overall, I'm out the market. And that day I was up. All right, so let's go to the next day. All right, so here's the next day. I didn't trade this day. Basically, the market was so strong and this is going crazy. So we shot up, boom, hardly any pullbacks. I thought about getting in right here, but I was like, you know what? I really didn't want to take a breakout right here. I mean, the market was just shooting up crazy, like from here to here. And I felt like I was too late in the trend, didn't really want to take a trade. So I skipped that day, right? No trade that day. Now, the next day was straight to the point. Basically, I took a short right here at resistance. So right here in the morning, we popped up, boom, gave me a nice bearish bar. I went short and I got my 2-to-1. So that was a nice winning day. So again, this was a winning day for me. Okay, I'm feeling good. You know, my second day of trading for the week, I'm feeling good. I'm up. I'm like, all right, most likely it's going to be a profitable week. So let me show you guys the live trading for that. All right, so right here, you see that I'm waiting for the market to go below the candle. And it's about to go below the candle right now. And I'm not in. Hold on, let me see. Okay, now I'm in the market. All right, so I'm in the market. Honestly, for some reason, I felt confident about this trade. You know, I was like, okay, I think this trade is going to work out. So let me fast forward this, show you guys what happened next. All right, so right here, you see that the market is moving to my target profit, and basically the market is moving, and I'm waiting for the market to hit it, and it's about to hit it right now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Boom. Okay, so I'm up again, 6,000. So I'm up 12K for the week. So I'm like, all right, it's looking good. This week is looking good. Okay, so let's go to the losing days. Okay, so let's go to the next day. Now, here's the next day, guys. Okay. Now, this day kind of pissed me off because overall, I had the right idea. It just didn't work out. Okay, so right here, I'm noticing that we have, you know, definitely support right here, right? It's bouncing off this. Lovely. Okay, so overall, we know that it's support right here. And I'm looking for, you know, longs, period. I went long right here. We had a nice rejection right here. I went long right here. Guess what? Stopped out. All right, and then I went long again. This stopped me out. Now I went long again right here. Okay, we had like nice two rejections right here, guys. And guess what? Stopped me out again. After that, I just closed my computer. I was done for the day, and guess what? Right after that, woo. Now again, I could complain and say, oh, it's the market makers. Stop me out. No, guys, I'm okay with this. It is what it is, okay? A lot of people just can't accept that certain days or certain, you know, just certain trades are not going to work out. You have to accept that, guys. You have to. I know people in the comment section are going to say, oh, you should do this or you should do that. No, guys, listen, this is part of the strategy and it is what it is. Your strategy will have break-even weeks or losing weeks too. So stop trying to be all perfect. You're not going to have that perfect system. So let's go to the next day. Or actually, let's show you the live trade first. All right, so right here, okay, I'm in the market. And, you know, I'm like, all right, we'll see. I think, honestly, I like the buying that was going in or coming in the market. And I'm like, all right, I think this is going to actually work out. So I'm just waiting. All right. So let me fast forward this. And boom, you see right here. Okay. I'm about to get stopped out. Boom. All right. So that's the first one. All right. So let's go to the second trade. All right. Here's the second trade. And I'm about to get in. Right now I'm in the market and I'm like, all right, let's see. Nice rejections. Hopefully this one will work. And automatically the market is looking like, oh man, it's not going to work, right? It's pulling back. And guess what? It pulled back and stopped me out. So let's fast forward to that part. All right, right here, about to get stopped out. And boom, I'm down 6K for the day. All right, so it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it. So let me show you guys the next day, which is today, okay? All right, so today I'm looking at this market. I'm kind of a little bit bearish on this market, right? Because, you know, if you look at it, we try to go up, slam down, trying to go up again, slam down again, and it's breaking this key support. So I'm like, all right, I think that the market is going to, you know, be a bearish, you know, market today. So I'm looking at this market and we slammed down right here at the open, and then we were consolidating, really choppy. I didn't mess with this at all. And then we slammed down again. So I'm like, okay, now I'm looking for any type of short opportunities, you know, anywhere around here, okay? So anywhere around these swing lows right here, I was looking for a short opportunity. So the first rejection I got, I just went in, boom. Got stopped out, okay? Unfortunately, stopped out right here, and then I went short again. Boom, stopped out, okay? So let me show you guys the live trades. Now, right here, I am in the market. Be honest with you, I felt good about this trade, okay? But again, it's not about your feelings. It's not how you feel. It's about, is this part of your system? Is it part of your rules? You take the trade, okay? So I took the trade, I'm in it, I'm like, okay, I see the market's going against me. I'm like, oh shoot. Now I don't really like it no more. Most likely I'm gonna get stopped out. So let me fast forward this. So right here, okay, you see I'm about to get stopped out. And again, it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain, guys. Right? So let me go to the next trade. All right, so here's the next trade. I'm going short. So I'm in the market. I'm like, all right, most likely this trade is going to work out because we're getting crazy rejections around this area. All right, cool. Let's go short. Hopefully we can, tag the low and I can have a great weekend, right? Up for the week. So let me fast forward this and boom, I got stopped out. So it is what it is. This week, again, I got stopped out. Pretty much a break-even week, slightly down, but I'm calling it a break-even week because I'm dealing with R's. In the beginning of the week, I was up 4R, and at the end of the week, I was down 4R. So I consider that a break-even week. Slightly down because of commissions and stuff like that, but whatever. So guys, I'm here to tell you that, trading is like this. Again, next week could be great. But the thing is, people, for some reason, can't understand that this is part of trading. They always want to, suggest something to think that you can actually make a strategy perfect. I guarantee you it's going to be, even in this comment section, oh, yo, you should have done this. You could have done this or whatever cases, right? They're going to suggest something or tweak this or tweak that. Or you probably even had a profitable week, right? And you probably think you big dog. But I've been trading long enough, guys. And I know that, bro, you can't win every single week. It's just what it is. And if you really think that you're going to win every single week, man, you're going to have a big surprise. You're going to have a really big surprise coming, all right, soon. So I'm here to let you know, I'm glad I make this video. I didn't want to make a video because I was kind of frustrated. I'm like, man, I was supposed to be up this week, but whatever. But I wanted to make this video because I want to let you guys understand that this is the truth. This is how trading works, okay? Not every single week it's going to be a profitable week or a green week, okay? So that's why, in my opinion, you should not really focus on weekly paychecks, but mainly monthly paychecks, right? So I hope you guys learned a lot from this. Hit that like button. Until next time, talk to you guys later.